Hi friends, welcome to the last day of introductions from Mama Elephant's February release. Today we're introducing Little Pig Agenda and its matching dies. Now this is what the images look when all stamped out, and don't they look super cute? Of course, we have all the usual suspects, as well as a couple of new ones. One of my favorites is the little pig in the donut, the Christmas pig, and the one with the glasses on. And seriously, how cute are those two little flying pigs? Today I'm showing you how to color in this little pig. Aren't they just the cutest with that cute little bandana? Today I'm showing you a different color scheme than to the pig I colored in yesterday's video. I think they both look super cute, but sometimes you just want to switch it up a little. And that finishes coloring for this little pig. Let's get to the card assembly. I started with a standard size white card base, and I cut a panel that fit exactly on top. I ink blended the top of my background with some Distress Oxide inks. Next, I stamped the top sentiment, "This calls for a," from the Animal Parade stamp set. Now this sentiment actually says this calls for a celebration. You can snip apart your sentiments using some sharp scissors to be able to stretch your supplies. Now this does take a little bit of courage, but you can always put together the sentiment in the original way by pairing them together on a stamping tool or a stamping block. I used the Whimsy Alphas set to create the words Spa Day. I searched my stash of patterned paper to find a piece that looked like floor tiling. And now it's time to put together our spa scene. Of course, we have some potted plants from Little Succulent Agenda. Next, I adhered our star of the scene in the middle. I placed 2 of my other pigs evenly spaced on the left and right side. The little rubber ducky is actually not part of this set. I borrowed it from Little Capybara Agenda. Next, I used one of the pillow images from Keep Cozy to give a little pillow to my sleeping piggy. Of course, no spa day is complete without fancy drinks, so I borrowed one from the Utterly Adorable stamp set. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. The items in this release are available from tomorrow, the 15th of February. And please join us tomorrow for the Stampede on Instagram for more inspiration. Bye!